All right, all right, all right. What do we got? I don't even know what day it is. Is it Thursday? It's Thursday. All right, moving right along in the week. Okay, markets are flat. No big deal. Nothing going on. This is important. European Central Bank, the ECB, is going to announce their rate hike at about 8:30. They're expecting to go heavy. That could affect the markets. Coffee. So watch your downside on that. And today in the schnooze, what do we got? Jobless claims is going to be a big number. Fed manufacturing index going to be a big number. We're going to watch for that. Just a bunch of Philly Fed numbers coming out. Gas stocks. That's natural gas though, propane. I'm expecting that to go up today, but you got to start keeping an eye on that as winter comes in, and of course the fueling or heating is going to impact the spending power of the consumer. So next week, new home sales, big number. Durable goods, big number. More importantly, interest rate decision, and that's what we're keeping our eye on. So that's it in the snooze. Let's take a quick look at some futures and see what's going on. What's going on? The coin, Bitcoin. Okay, it broke out, and we're looking at it daily. Broke out of this compression right here, and this is a flag. This is a nice flag. I mean, it would be a classic flag if we close around here today and then broke it tomorrow. But we're testing that support, and that's what we're going to keep an eye on. That's pretty positive. We keep testing that support and bouncing off of it. Then we could take a break to the upside. So actually, if it moves up today, I'm going to take a pass on it. I'm just going to watch it, see how it behaves. I might take that break to the upside tomorrow, see if I could ride a little bit more out of this. I wouldn't be surprised if we see this 29.30 mark close this gap up. I don't really know the behavior of it. I can't really comment on that. But I'm watching to see how it behaves around these gaps and how significant they are. And let's take a look at bonds. Move over, biatch. Okay, so I mean, they broke out of that compression. I'm neutral pending a breakout of this compression right here. That's pretty much how I'm looking at it. You could call this a head and shoulders kind of pattern. I mean, they're all very similar, but this is the low of the compression is the high of the compression. I'm just neutral pending a breakout of this compression one way or the other. I expect to see bonds go up. I expect interest rates to come down a little bit, but I guess they're going to chill ahead of the Fed right now. Ahead of the Fed. Looking at crude. I'm just neutral on it. Let's see. Come on. You ain't got a thing. I'm neutral on it pending this pending that break right there. Break of the we can call that a neckline, right? There's a nice move down. Here's a shoulder, here's a head. It looks like we're developing a shoulder. We talked about that a few days, which we're going to keep. We don't want to see this come down much more. We certainly don't want to see it come down below this. If we're looking to trade this head and shoulder, if we're worried about our economy, then yes, we do want to see it break down. But I'm just watching this for the head and shoulders. The momentum looks like it's building in that fashion. So I'll watch it. I'll probably take this break right here, pick up a few stickies on that break. But we'll keep an eye on that. So we're down around 95. We're seeing gas prices come down. I heard down in North and South Carolina, it might have gotten under $4. Up around me, it's about 4.45 or so. So it's a good sign. It's a good sign. Things are things may break. Here's gold. Gold just looks bearish, man. It broke this low right here. It's moving down. I'm bearish on the dailies. I don't see any setup, but I'm bearish on the dailies on gold. And that about does it on my commodities. Now, if I could just grab hold of this thing and move it around a little bit. There we go. Get over there, you. Okay, so what are we looking at? Let's have a quick look at Coinbase. Coinbase is doing the same thing BTC is, but Coinbase set up a nice bear flag. It obviously doesn't trade through the evening, so that's why the pattern looks a little different right now. So we're going to open up a little low. Well, there it is right there. It's down $2 right now. Let's keep an eye on that. That might be a nice flag to take right there. We could use a little consolidation. Momentum on the momentum looks very bullish. I'd be interested in that flag right there on Coinbase. Coinbase. I'm not looking at any of these. The markets all look the same. So let's just have a quick look at the EU, the ES. On the daily, got a nice bear flag, and these are the futures. So watch for a break on the futures of the high of 77.25, and we're up about that, above that 950, and that 950 is an important mark. It's right there. So there it is right there, high of 950, 39.50. That's very important. It's holding it, setting up a nice flag. Let's see if it can continue today. And show us a little something. Let's see how that translates on the S&P. Dig it up. Looks like everything just went down. All right, well, we're not going to see how it translates on the S&P. We got a little work to do. So that's me. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Everybody calm, cool, and at peace when you trade. I appreciate everybody hanging in to the end of the report or the video, and good luck with your trading.